You will see two antique barrel washing machines in this hall. Both were produced in the late 1890s. The one in the middle of the hall is from the Anchor brand company and was called the 1-minute washer. Anchor was later acquired by Whirlpool because, much like Whirlpool at the time, the machine worked in a Whirlpool swirl method, which is where Whirlpool got their name. Our other machine at the end of the hall was made by the Michigan Washing Machine Company and was produced for a Hamilton, Ontario company called Wood, Valence & Company. Wood, Valence & Co. was the largest hardware producer in Ontario at the time and often partnered with other manufacturers who could supply products that they could retrofit with their own hardware and sell. Both of the machines worked by using a hand crank to spin the tub and wash the clothing. Roller pin dryers were often mounted on top, where the wet clothes could be rolled through before being hung to dry.